आंखें देखी तो मैं देखता रह गया जाम दो और दोनों ही दो आतिशा आंखें या मैं कदे के ये दो बाब हैं आंखें इनको कहूँ या कहूँ ख्वाब है.
Hi guys, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I will be doing a festive get ready with me, and today I'm getting ready for Diwali. I am going for a Diwali party, so I thought I will show you my get ready routine, and if you do want to follow this when you're getting ready for parties or for the actual Diwali day, I hope that this video helps you out. And without further ado, let's get started. So this video is divided into 3 parts. We'll be doing the makeup, then we'll be doing the hair, and then I'll show you the final outfit. And some of you might already have seen the outfit on Instagram. If you have, just pretend like you haven't and we will go from there, okay? Let's start with makeup first. I'll show you what products I'm using and how I'm going about it, but I will just tie up my hair just to get that out of the way. First thing I'm going to do is go in with this serum. It is from The Ordinary. It's called the Marine Hyaluronic Serum. This literally feels like water, like magic water for your skin. Then I'm going ahead with the Lakme Absolute Day Cream. Again, something I have religiously been using. Highly recommend it. It's super light. So now that we have a nice juicy base, I am going on with the makeup. Here is where I keep most of my makeup. Before makeup, I'm going ahead with the Professional Super Setter from Benefit. This is just a very nice light mist, so you can basically just kind of give yourself a nice refreshed feeling before you start off with the makeup. And it also really conceals your pores, so if that's something that you're looking at, if you have open pores, this works perfectly well. Next up, we're going ahead with primer. This one is the Glossier Primer Moisturizer Balance Oil Control Gel Cream. I love the applicator of this. You just put 2 pumps here, 2 pumps here. The foundation first or concealer first debate just never seems to end, but I like to go ahead with concealer first and just do my under eye area. Then I'm going ahead with my ever so trusted MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 in the shade NC16. Then I'm using this really fluffy, big, huge brush that I got very recently from PAC. I would highly recommend this. It just makes your life so easy, especially blending in like foundation and stuff. Super easy. Going ahead once again with the concealer and just a little bit over the nose area, the bridge of the nose, the forehead, any other kind of red spots that you feel you may have. Go over those. Next up, we will be using some eye makeup. Let's do eye makeup first and then we'll get on to the rest. So I like to keep all of my eye makeup really light and really subtle. If you've been here for some time, aapko pata hai, I don't like to go too loud with my eye makeup. So we'll keep it really nice and light. And I'm using this palette. It's called the Natural Nude Born This Way by Too Faced. I'll just be placing the darker shade on the outer corner and then just slightly getting it inwards like that, just in the U shape. Using a flat brush like this, I'll just be taking the darker shade, which is the darkest brown in this case, and just basically putting a little bit on the outside, very lightly like that. Just take your time to blend it really nicely. Don't hurry, just kind of take it slow. Taking the shimmer shade, we'll just be applying that towards the inner corner. Just blending it in once again. So the first side is the primer side, and I'll just be applying that. Be generous with this, do not go lightly. I would say like apply as much as you want. I absolutely love doing lashes, just look so nice. And you will see like with this, I'm not applying any falsies, but you will see just with this product, your lashes will look so nice and long. I will leave a link to this down below, so if you want to have a look at this, I can put like a Nike or an Amazon link and you'll find this. It is a game changer. The trick is for lashes that are towards the end, go outward like this, and then for lashes in the middle, go straight up, and for lashes that are inwards, just go inside like that. So basically in the direction of the lashes, that's how you have to apply your primer. So the second side is the actual mascara. Without any falsies, without any sort of extensions, this is how your lashes can look with this product. And I'm telling you, I have literally been sticking to this for the longest time. It's been about 4 years now. I haven't changed my mascara. So this is how the lashes look. So they're all done, and then we move on to the cheek and the rest of the face. For blush, I'm using the Krista blush by Benefit, and I also got this brush from Benefit, by the way. This is like a multitasking cheek brush. This brush is great if you're traveling, or if you're like not with your entire kit the entire time. So if you're like just running errands, going out somewhere, you quickly want to touch up, this brush is perfect. So just taking a little bit on the nose as well, and then just on the bridge. Forehead. It is the festive time, so you can go a little overboard. That's completely fine. Next up is contour. So I'm going to be using my OG Hoola bronzer. This is like the best bronzer ever, guys. So for this, I like to just sort of take the brush a little bit upwards so it's nice and sharp and it's not as fluffy. So the application is very defined. For lipstick, I will be using my good old trusted MAC Velvet Teddy. My highlighter again is from Benefit. I feel like I have become such a big Benefit girl, guys. This is not a sponsored video. So I'm just going to apply this little bit of highlighter that you can see. For Diwali, I feel like your highlighter does all the magic, because when you're going to parties and everything, you want to glam up, right? You don't want to be super simple. Be simple, but not like super simple. For eyebrows, I am not doing too much today because I feel like my eyebrows are anyway nice and done. Finally, I will be using the Makeup Mist Gum Setting Spray just to kind of set my makeup. And this is also, by the way, really good if you want your makeup to be waterproof. So if you are worried about, say, sweating, this will prevent your makeup from going away even if you are sweating. Okay, next up, let's get to the hair. So for hair, I will basically be curling my hair as always. So I will be using the Dyson, good old trusted Dyson. This takes roughly 10 minutes or 5 minutes on each side, so it's super quick. You can see the difference between this side and between this side that's still not done. Finally, I'm going ahead with some setting spray. This one is from Wella. It's called Mystify Me Strong. Just apply a little bit to set your hair in place. So even if you're dancing, even if it's sweaty, your hair will not open up. For the outfit, this is what I have in mind. How the suit looks. These pants that I'm wearing, they come with it, and so does this dupatta. I've also taken the bag right over here, I love the bag, guys. For the price, this was such a good deal. Okay, now I'm heading out for my Diwali function. I will see you guys next time. Till then, wishing you a very, 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 very happy Diwali. Please have loads of fun, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. So make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram as well. I do post a lot of styling reels, a lot of hacks over there. So I would love if you come join our family on Instagram as well. And I will see you very soon. Till then, bye bye.
आंखें जिनमें है कैद आसमां और ज़मीं, संदली संदली मरमरी मरमरी, हुस्न जाना की तारीफ